What's up people? Today I'm going to talk about my personal tips on how to pose on Instagram so you look better. Because I know a lot of you want to be photogenic. Yeah. So tip number 1, practice in front of the mirror. It may seem weird at first. You'll find two things after practicing in front of the mirror. You will find the side of the face that you like more, and also an angle where you think your face look nice. So when you practice, you're gonna find the nice side of your face. When you find the nice side of your face, abuse it. So mine is the left side of my face, so that is why I have my camera set up this way. So I'll show you a go-to pose for my face. So I'm actually making my eyes look bigger than they actually are. You get what I'm saying? So you want that to happen because you're Asian and you have small eyes. So what you see in the mirror is actually an inverted image of what the camera captures, okay? Sorry if that was disturbing, but yeah. So tip number 3 would be having a go-to pose for your body. If you have a good face, it doesn't help because you also need a good body. You also need good body posture. So my go-to pose would be dropping my shoulder and just looking in the camera. So you can go on Pinterest or Instagram to look for poses and just copy them. So the next tip would be moving around when the photographer is shooting. So we live in the digital era, just take more pictures. It won't bite. But of course, take pictures that are different. You don't want those photographers that take group photos and just spam like that. That is useless, okay? So when he takes a picture, move to the next position, takes picture, move again, okay? You get what's happening right here? So when you move around, the camera will be happy. So maybe not literally, but you'll get more angles, okay? So the next tip would be a mental tip. You know that the camera can actually capture your soul. Yes, your soul inside of you, okay? If you are shy, the camera can see that you are shy. Unless you're a good actor and you can cover up that side of you, tell yourself that you are the most handsome person in the world. It doesn't have to be in the world, maybe just at that specific moment you are the most handsome among all your friends, okay? You look good, bro. Thanks, bro. The first few photo shoots would be weird because you're still not used to camera, but just try to move around. Don't worry, you're gonna get better soon and you're gonna get more used to the camera. Good luck to y'all and happy shooting. Yeah, I'm happy that I got my cap. Thanks, bro. You know who you are if you are watching. If you're not, then I don't care. I do care. Like the video and subscribe to me because I'm cool and you're cool. We're both cool. Cool? Peace.